Hi, I'm Ed Davis, the president here at Sealoom, and I want to take just a minute to introduce you to Medallion, our most popular ornate style and a member of Sealoom since the 1950s. To start, yeah, they're plastic, and that's a good thing. Medallion 2x2 ceiling tiles have the look of an antique ceiling, but are made from our Featherlight Series 13,000 thick rigid vinyl, which makes them lighter, easier to clean, and more adaptable than any decorative ceiling tile you've ever seen or felt before. First, don't let their weight fool you. This thermoformed design, combined with the inherent strength of vinyl, makes these tiles rigid, durable, and incredibly easy to install and maintain. Class A fire rated, 100% recyclable, completely waterproof, Greenguard Gold Certified for indoor air quality, and made right here in the USA. Medallion's beauty is much more than skin deep. Available in 12 designer colors and finishes, they're also easy on the eyes. Installing couldn't be easier. Simply pop them into your standard 1-inch T-bar grid system. Most ceilings will have some less than full-size border sections. For those, you'll need to choose a separate border tile. Our Stratford ceiling tiles are the perfect border accent. If you have any questions or would like to see a free sample, please don't hesitate to give us a call. And remember, you belong under Sealoom.